What's going on, guys? It's been a minute since we talked. Today, obviously, as always, we're gonna talk about money. But before we do that, I want to catch up with y'all. How is your week going so far? Hope everything is great. I hope you're just achieving every goal you set up for yourself. And then before we start, I want to share my week with you guys. Are you ready? All right, so let's go. Just finished setting up my lady's studio. She has all the gear she can possibly need. Here's the console, here are the guitars, the camera, the lights, everything, man. I'm so stoked. I can't wait to use it to myself too. Walking with the lady. And I just realized how filthy my car is, which is not good. Found out about neon lights and it went totally crazy. And here he is. Hi, Bun Bun. Hi. Hey guys, I'm Pedro Talarico, and yes, that is a banana on my wall. I just love neon lights, as you guys could tell. And what a week we had. It's been pretty amazing. We started Monday morning with the Dow Futures down almost 1,000 points, which is already pretty incredible. And then our buddy Jerome Powell went with his printer and making the Fed balance sheet over $7 trillion. Yes. $7 trillion. On top of that, we had pretty good news as well. US retail sales went up 17.7% between April and May. That's pretty nice, way better than expected. And also today, President Trump signed an executive order to reform the police, and that's pretty much his way to try to make the riots stop. And to top it all, the S&P 500 ended up closing 1.9% higher than it was yesterday, which is just mind-blowing considering what's happening to our economy right now. So okay, I've said it all that, and you can go and ask me, say,
hey Pedro, what has to do with anything about my money?
Well, inflation is gonna be a real thing. I cannot affirm anything for sure, but it's definitely a real risk. And the problem with inflation is gonna make our cash worth less and less over time. And the best way to protect your cash from all this madness is through buying assets. And the most important assets that we have in the United States are stocks and real estate, which means that if you have neither of those two assets, you're gonna just be left behind.
Left behind, you say?
Yes, let me explain. Let's meet Mary. Mary has $1,000 to her name, and today she decided to invest it all into the market. She specifically wanted to buy an index fund which tracks exactly where the market goes to make it easy and you don't have to run the risk of buying individual stocks. Okay, if we take the average return of 8% a year, then we fast forward 10 years, Mary's gonna have over $2,100. That's the power of compound interest for you. Okay, that was our example number one. Now let's meet Joe. Joe also has $1,000 to his name, but instead of investing, he decided to put it all inside a safe and leave it in his house. All right, we fast forward 10 years and Joe has the same $1,000. Okay, something is up. Mary has over $2,100 and Joe has $1,000. All right, they pretty much did the same thing. They had the same $1,000, but Mary decided to use it and Joe just pretty much saved it. Oh my gosh. Mary invested and Joe didn't do. And just like Joe, sometimes we all need to just don't do.
One eternity later.
Now that you know that grandma's cash in the mattress method isn't really the best for you, let's work on what it is best for you. If you want to make your money work for you, not the other way around, one of the main goals you should have is to replace your landlord.
But Pedro, house prices are so expensive.
If I can do it as an immigrant who came to this country with $5,000 to my name, trust me, all of you can do it. I am 100% sure. If you would like to know how I did it and how you can do it as well, just leave a comment down below, ask me anything, and I promise I'll answer all your questions in the following videos. Guys, thank you so much. I really hope this video brought something to you that you didn't know before. Now, hopefully you have some pretty good tools to protect your money. And please, if you like what I'm doing and want to learn more, make that like button blue. That'll mean the world to me. Leave some comments, subscribe, ring the bell so you know whenever I post a new one, all for the almighty YouTube algorithm. And also, if you want to invest, I'm leaving down below in the description my affiliate links for Robinhood and Webull. Robinhood will give you 2 free stocks. Webull will give you up to 3 free stocks. And yes, guys, I'll see you next time. Let's kill it. You are not alone. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.